Kublai pi baro kini gilong ki kubor bam takasni. Ka jian ya kalami hapdeng ki nonglet nongwan bar ki pulet hapulu. Hadien ba ki pulet ki lapen sange ya kalet kawan jung ki kali bar ki pat ba hakalenti balapen kre. Na kabenta ka jingwan jung menteri kampo yang ka sorkar pdeng u Amit Shah. Hakalenti ba syakang ki pat ba pulet ula yo ibun ki nonglet nongwan ula khangno bar ki pat ba kilapen pau ka jing bitar namar ka jung pen sange kalakta e kalet kawan khamtam ki badan kam ban poikloi shala ki kam ki pulet pat kila ong ba ka jing pen sange e kalenti kalong shibenta na ka jing pen ben ba jing pen khanya ka por ba wan menteri kampo yang shishilong ka jinglong jingman hagdi ka jaka kala pelong ya ka than pulu ban khapnya shipor re ki pulet kila prasang ban pen ben ya kalet kawan.
This is not fair. We are there because it's not fair. You are not You are coming to reach our work, please. That's not the only thing. You have a problem also. We have to understand. If we are suffering, then this person should not belong Home Minister.
Once we reach home is very late, we will be transferred to remote places. Who will help us at that time?
Just few minutes.
We have been
Be patient. Bear with us for few minutes. We are also clarifying the name to be very honest, we didn't get any news. There was no notification. No, why? There was no notification. You declared state holiday. You declared state holiday. No, this is not fair. Whoever is coming, this is not fair for us. Whoever is on time, this is not fair on time. All the taxis have to be on time. Why should I lose my time? This is not fair. There is no notification on road block. No notification. We are not voting like this. We are not voting for like this. This is not fair enough for us. This is not fair. This is not fair. We are voting for that.